Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. I recently started teaching a new group, and on the first day one of the icebreakers we were doing was talking about films and books and music that we've encountered recently that made a big impression on us. And one of my students asked me if I'd seen any films recently that really impressed me. And really, without thinking, I immediately said the Bong Joon-ho movie, the South Korean film Parasite, which came out last year and which won an Oscar for Best Movie. When I first saw it, I just thought it was an incredible film. It was very powerful filmmaking. I related to a lot of the content in the film. It was funny, it was shocking, and it spoke to the world we all live in. I was, as I told my students, completely blown away by it. If you're blown away by something, you're impressed and excited by it. You can also say the film blew me away. So, just to give you a couple more examples, you might say, for example, "Oh, I'm not going to tell you about the ending, but it'll blow you away." Or, "The first time I heard that song, I was completely blown away by it." If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about things that have blown you away.